Now we have some champagne, honey. Now we talking. Now I've seen this on the Food Network a lot, okay? So I'm gonna try to do what I see, what they do on the TV. So they always like swish it around a little bit, right? Then they, Okay, this might as well be juice. I mean, is this communion? Is this Easter Sunday? I don't know what's going on with this. I don't feel anything from that. This thing right here, I want to drink bottles and bottles of this. This must be 1,000%. This is the expensive champagne. What? Really? Girl, this is water.